With the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence and natural language processing, many industries are starting to explore the potential of ChatGPT technology. While this technology holds great promise for improving efficiency and productivity, it also raises the question of what impact it will have on the job market. In this article, we'll explore 10 jobs that could be potentially replaced by ChatGPT in the next 5 years. It's important to note that while these jobs may change or evolve, it's unlikely that they will completely disappear. Instead, they will likely be transformed and become more specialized. Customer service representatives. One of the most obvious jobs that could be impacted by ChatGPT is customer service representatives. With the ability to respond to customer inquiries in a fast, accurate, and consistent manner, ChatGPT has the potential to automate many of the tasks currently performed by human customer service representatives. Data entry clerks. Data entry clerks are responsible for inputting large amounts of information into computer systems. With the ability to process and analyze large amounts of data, ChatGPT has the potential to automate many of the tasks currently performed by data entry clerks. Telemarketers. Telemarketers are responsible for making sales calls and promoting products over the phone. With the ability to generate human-like responses and carry out conversations, ChatGPT has the potential to automate many of the tasks currently performed by telemarketers. Market researcher. Market researchers are responsible for gathering and analyzing data to gain insights into consumer behavior and market trends. With the ability to process and analyze large amounts of data, ChatGPT has the potential to automate many of the tasks currently performed by market researchers. Chatbots developers. As ChatGPT technology becomes more prevalent, the demand for chatbot developers may decrease. This is because ChatGPT has the ability to generate human-like responses and automate many of the tasks that were previously performed by chatbots. Translation services. With the ability to understand and translate multiple languages, ChatGPT has the potential to automate many of the tasks currently performed by human translators. Personal assistants. Personal assistants are responsible for performing administrative tasks, such as scheduling appointments and managing emails. With the ability to respond to inquiries and perform repetitive tasks, ChatGPT has the potential to automate many of the tasks currently performed by personal assistants. Bank tellers. Bank tellers are responsible for performing routine banking transactions, such as depositing checks and processing withdrawals. With the ability to process transactions and respond to customer inquiries, ChatGPT has the potential to automate many of the tasks currently performed by bank tellers. Data analysts. Data analysts are responsible for analyzing data to gain insights and make informed decisions. With the ability to process and analyze large amounts of data, ChatGPT has the potential to automate many of the tasks currently performed by data analysts. Content moderators. Content moderators are responsible for reviewing and removing inappropriate content from websites and social media platforms. With the ability to understand and classify content, ChatGPT has the potential to automate many of the tasks currently performed by content moderators. It's important to note that while ChatGPT and other advanced AI technologies may replace some jobs, they will also create new job opportunities in fields such as technology, programming, and data analysis. The key is for workers to be proactive in developing the skills necessary to thrive in this rapidly evolving job market.